Are you tired of trying every make money online trick only to make less than $50 a month? You're not alone. Most people fail online not because the methods don't work, but because they keep chasing the next shiny thing. Today, I'll show you the simple system that actually works if you stick to it. Stage 1. Stage 1 is where most people stay stuck. No side hustle, or one that earns almost nothing. Inflation is rising, and relying on a single paycheck is riskier than ever. The truth? You don't need the perfect method. You just need one that fits your skills, budget, and lifestyle. Stage 2. Stage 2 is the failing side hustle. Why? Shiny object syndrome. 1 week it's dropshipping, then it's print on demand, then Amazon, then trading. The truth is, most of these methods work, but only if you focus long enough to see results. Stop digging holes and never finishing. Pick one and commit. Stage 3. Stage 3 is building a real, successful side hustle. The winners do 3 things. They focus on a clear audience. They stay consistent even without instant results, and they show real proof of value. If you're selling products, don't just list them. Show how they solve problems. People buy solutions, not just items. The secret? Stage 4. Reinvesting. The top 1% don't spend their first profits on flashy stuff. They put it back into tools, marketing, and outsourcing. That's how small side hustles turn into serious businesses. Your money should work harder than you do. So the real choice isn't about the best side hustle. It's whether you'll stick with one long enough to win. If you're ready to stop wasting time and actually grow online income, hit subscribe to Money Mind Method. I'll show you how to turn side hustles into real wealth.